How to fix numbered list line indentation on Microsoft Word. Whenever you create a numbered list in Word, the text layout often breaks. Either the second line wraps awkwardly all the way to the far left under the number, or massive ugly gap appears between the number and your first word. Today, we're opening Word's hidden list adjustments panel to force your numbers, gaps, and wrapping lines into flawless geometric alignment. Alright, so let me just open up my project and let us fix the layout spacing. Do not try to manually fix this using the spacebar or the tab key on your keyboard. That will only scramble your margins later. Instead, just move your mouse over your numbered list and okay, so let us just highlight our text paragraphs. After that, move your cursor up to the top navigation ribbon under the Home tab, then look inside the paragraph group, which is here, and click the official numbering button, which is this one here. Okay, and as you can see, it created 2 and 3 points. For some reason, it missed the first one. I have no idea why. Let's do that again. Let's do the numbers. All right, anyway, this works. And as you can see, it immediately triggers the ugly broken indentation layout. Now, to open the hidden configuration panel, move your mouse directly over the newly created numbers on your page and click on any of them, like this. You'll see the entire numbering column highlights. Right-click that highlighted column and then choose Adjust List Indents. Right, and a small settings window will then pop up. And now let's clean up that massive gap first. So look at the bottom drop-down menu labeled Follow Number Width. It is currently set to tab character. Change this drop-down directly to space. Second tab here. Next, to make sure your second line of text wraps cleanly under your first word instead of hugging the far left margin, look at the aligned add box. Okay, and depending on the version of Word you're using, guys, these might be called the aligned add and the text indent. As you can see in my case, they are actually renamed, they are called number position and then text indent. Change both of these numerical fields to the exact same number, for example 0.25 inches. So I'll just go ahead and copy this and then just insert. Now they are the same. And once they match, just click OK at the bottom. There you go. And your text lines instantly snap into flawless vertical grid. Your layouts will never distort. That is it, guys, for this one. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.